This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Download the Camera Viewer app from your device store and open it immediately. Allow the app to request camera, microphone, and local network permissions when prompted. Sign in or create a new account using your email and a strong password for security. Choose to enable optional cloud backup now or later based on your storage preference. Keep your device connected to Wi-Fi during setup to avoid interruptions. Confirm app notifications so motion alerts and important messages arrive reliably. Put your camera into pairing mode, following the manufacturer instructions before you proceed. Connect it to your home too. 4 GHz Wi-Fi network through the app setup screens for best compatibility. Enter any pairing code displayed on the camera or scan the printed QR code using the app camera feature. Name the camera logically, for example front door or nursery, to find it quickly later. Set the streaming quality to 1080p and 30 FPS for clear live video and smooth motion viewing. Tap Live View to stream real-time video and press record to save local clips. Use the snapshot button to capture a still image and the two-way audio feature to speak with visitors. Enable motion alerts and adjust sensitivity to prevent false alarms from pets or branches. Configure scheduled recording windows such as 22, 00 to 06, 00 to limit unnecessary footage and save space. Review recorded clips in the app gallery and export important videos to your device or cloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.